Hi and welcome to the Bats in Churches e-learning program for cleaning in churches. This course will give you an overview of cleaning techniques that will help you to look after your church and clean in a way that will negatively impact items of heritage significance. Books can be made from a variety of organic material, and it's important to identify the material of the book and its stability before cleaning. Wash hands thoroughly before handling books. Clean hands, free of any hand lotion or creams, are best for handling books. If you're unable to wash your hands prior to cleaning or the book is moldy, please wear a pair of nitrile gloves. If the book is large and you're unable to hold the book comfortably in one hand, place it on a flat surface, preferably with a sheet of plastic underneath. Cleaning should be dry, using a brush, not a duster, and directing the dust preferably into a vacuum fit with a piece of muslin cloth over the nozzle. If you do not have a vacuum, the dust should be brushed into a container. Keeping the book closed, use a soft brush and dust along the top edges of the pages, brushing from the spine to the foredge of the book. Then dust down the foredge along to the bottom of the pages, always working from the spine to the foredge. To dust inside the front and back boards of the books, it's best to support the book on a cushion or a small bean bag if possible. A book suffers less stress when open and less than 90 degrees. Use a fan motion starting in the center of the book at the joint, working outwards. Further information, general cleaning guidelines and additional resources can be found in our companion booklet, Cleaning Guidelines for Churches with Bats.